name is Carolyne Anaye. I'm a lecturer at Chuka University. The highlights of this workshop, I can say it has really widened my knowledge, the practical aspects, in that right now I'm seeing practically what happens at the farm, how to make inorganic fertilizers, and I'm also seeing the end results, how the plants look healthy. In addition to that, I've benefited in this workshop is that the in-depth knowledge about access agriculture, how they have so much on the internet, which will actually aid me as I teach students. Okay, in addition, I've learned how to create my own blog, which I've done and shared. The video process, the filming, how to prepare video, how to interview. And I'm grateful that I also have a camera going back. So as I interact with farmer during extension, I can record a few shots here and there and share on my blog. And so I look forward for more collaborations so that we move on. Thank you.